Hi, and welcome to this quick tutorial guide on refreshing your operator app. If you make any changes to your settings, menu items, or menu item prices from your admin panel, you will need to refresh your operator app for these changes to take effect on the EPOS system. To do this, simply press the Extras button from the operator app, and once you're on the Extras screen, scroll down to the Refresh App button. Once the app refresh pop-up appears, simply press Yes to begin the app refresh process. Once the app refresh has been successfully completed, all updated settings, menu items, and item prices will now be visible on the operator app. Thanks for watching.